Hello from Slovenia again. Today I got a package from United States in my mail today. My dear friend, moderator and an artist, Doris, 80DF Designs is her channel. Please go check her out too and show her support maybe if you like it. And she sent me American floetrol and this emulsabond from Fllod, because she was trying to do my reverse flower dips with a mixture that I will try today. So that's why she sent me those products for me to try, and some strainer that I will strain my floetrol, and some frog tape because our painter's tape is, I don't know, just not good, and some paints, Rust-Oleum paints in ruby, the browns, gold, silver, bronze, and of course some extreme sheen garnet that she knows that I like, and the beautiful painting of hers. She did this painting this year in one of her lives, that when our dear friend Erica passed away, and Erica did some beautiful wave pours, so Doris did that one in memory of Erica, and she wrote to Fiona with love, Doris Ford, from my tribute to Erica Art, January 17th, 2021. So Doris, thank you, thank you, thank you. The painting is just beautiful, beautiful colors. So I like it. So I will stop this video here and mix some pouring medium with those ingredients, and I'll be back and tell you all about it. See you in a bit. So here I am again. So I mixed my paints. No, first, this will be a little longer video probably. I mixed my pouring medium that with product that Doris sent me. And because this emulsabond thing looked, you see, like that, like white coffee or something, and this is how my emulsion look. So see a difference? That's why I was a little afraid. So I just mixed 80% of American Fllod floetrol with 20% of this emulsabond, and this is my pouring medium. And then I mixed my pearl white as I normally do, 1 part Vallejo pearl medium to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white, and this is my pearl white that hopefully will create some nice lacing, and this is my consistency. And I have black for a base, and I just mix these 3 colors that I kind of normally do when I do some experiments. So these 3 colors are Amsterdam greenish blue, Amsterdam Expert Series permanent red violet, and this time I used Amsterdam Azo yellow dip. And I will just do a little 8-inch round canvas just to see what will happen with this mixture, and then maybe I will try to mix some other products into, if this will not go as I think. Doris does add Liquitex gloss medium into this mixture too, but I thought, okay, I will start today with this two products and see, and then I will try to develop further, just to maybe find the really good mixture of US products that you can use, or the products that you can buy in US, no matter that they are from States or not. And I did add too much paint, so I will just tilt the excess paint back to my cup as much as I can, or just try to cover the sides a little more. It's different consistency that I'm used to, so you know, it's always different. Yes, it is kind of on the thick side, but every pouring medium feels different when you pour it off stick, so you know, I will have to get used to it. And in the black that I have for my background, I did add a little water. Other colors I mixed 2 to 1 pouring medium to paint, and it was quite okay. And because this is the small canvas, I will do just, you know, one. I will not turn around. So let's put my flower shaped cup down, and I will start with pearl white. And I will go like I normally go, a little less pearl white and a little more of other colors, I don't know. And as I said, I will play with it to try to find the pouring medium that it will work and you can buy in States. And permanent red violet. Pearl white again. I see some effects from pearl white. We will see what will happen. And even the consistency, maybe I can use different consistency. We will see. That's why I will try this today. You have to start somewhere. So I will add just another row of these colors, and then I will do a napkin. I will not, you know, turn it around. I will just, because otherwise it will be too much paint for this small round 8-inch canvas. It's been a while since I did a reverse flower dip, I think, so it will be interesting. Hope that we will be positively surprised. And the yellow. And I will grab a skewer to draw some lines. Towards the outside, of course. In the meantime, paint can flow off the cup, and then we will lift it and see how it looks. I don't see any lacing on my cup. With my pouring medium I normally see some lacing, but not here. And I will just go with this towards the middle, because it's quite a lot of black in the middle. This is the difference with my pouring medium too. I normally don't have as much, but we will see what will happen. I will leave it like it is and spray my paper napkin and do a dip, reverse flower dip. So as I said, I will try to get it right. Maybe this time will not be okay, I assume, because I have to play with ratios and everything to get things to work. Sometimes, you know, they work. Look at my hands. But sometimes you have to try a lot of times before you have a success. But I said this a lot of times, I love to experiment, so oh, I love this. Smaller cells or lacing, but so cute. I'm totally in love with this. I hope that you probably not, but I have to bring you for a close-up right away because I'm so excited. And I believe that some of you will be too, because this is just so beautiful. So what do you think? More like cells, not so much lacing, but incredible for my opinion. Wow. Maybe my, lifting part wasn't perfect, but the flower is wow. For my taste. I don't know how you will feel about it, so maybe we have a recipe that Doris started to develop, and that's why she sent me this, to try it out. And I am maybe next time I will not even torch it, because some black cells are popping through here in the middle, but otherwise I think that it's just gorgeous. So tell me what you think. Do you want me to do a mixing video on how I do that you will be able to try with products that you can buy in States? So thank you, Doris, again for sending me this to try. So you can show Doris some love to subscribe to her channel, because she was really helpful with this journey. Enough for today. I'm so excited. Bye.